Hey guys, of course, welcome back to Cooking with Tammy Live. I'm your girl Tammy, and today I am back with another quick and easy recipe, guys. Today I'm going to show you how to make my delicious potato salad. So without further ado, let's get started. To this bowl, we have one potato. That's because I have all of the other potatoes on this side peeled and ready to go. I also have some bell peppers. I don't eat bell. You're gonna eat it today because guess what? Once it's incorporated, it's gonna taste really good. And besides, we need to incorporate our vegetables in the best way we can. I also have some diced onions, as well as some garlic powder, black pepper, onion powder, salt, mayo, and mustard. So let's go. Alrighty, this potato right here is unpeeled. Let me explain to you exactly what I did. Here's a tip or a trick. Definitely boil your potatoes the night before. It would save so much time in the morning. Also, who wants hot potato salad, right? You want your potato salad to be nice and cool. So, of course, you heard it here first. Boil your potatoes the night before. Also, it helps the skin, like when it comes time to peeling the potato, it makes it so much easier, trust me, than having to deal with a hot potato trying to peel it and all this craziness. It's not worth it. So, when it's cold, it's so much easier to peel. And you're gonna see what I mean. Grab your paring knife and just get to peeling, just like that. Boil it just as if you would be, let's say, boil it just as if you're making mashed potatoes, but you're not gonna boil it until it's that soft. You know what I mean? But soft enough. Pretty much the texture of potato salad soft. Because we want these potatoes to be soft, but not too soft. So when we cut into it using our other knife, like this, just like this, it's nice and solidified. They're not gonna break up on you and be all mushy. Who wants mushy potato salad? You're not eating mashed potatoes, you're eating potato salad. So as you can see, nice and diced perfectly. Yes, guys. Just dice it on up, add it to the bowl, just like so. Just get to cutting. You choose the desired size that you prefer, whether if you want like big chunky old potatoes or a nice small, you know, it depends. It's totally up to you, whether you want it chunky or diced small. So with all of that being said, how is everybody doing? I am trying to get these recipes out for you guys so you can have an amazing Thanksgiving and an amazing holiday. How am I doing, you ask? Yes, thank you for asking. I am doing A-okay. Very busy, of course. And to be honest with you, I wouldn't have it any other way. Busy creating stuff, pulling stuff from the archives, all of that sort of stuff. Coming up with a ton of new ideas and stuff like that. So, I hope you guys are almost finished planning your Thanksgiving menu. And these recipes are going to be out just in time for you to enjoy some amazing food. Just going to cut it up real quick, put it up in here, just like that. And look how easy it is to cut into these potatoes, and they're like literally diced. You don't have to worry about it falling apart, and that's the good thing about when you do it the night before. You give it enough time to put it in the refrigerator to set, and yeah, it makes it so much easier. I learned that tip from my grandmother. She used to make potato salad all the time. As a matter of fact, this is her recipe. So, and to be honest with you, it never failed. It was always delicious, always. I used to find myself going in the refrigerator for thirds and fourths and fifths until it was like literally done. Or unless somebody else would beat me to it. Alrighty guys, I am gonna dice these potatoes up and I'll be right back. All right, so our potatoes are diced and ready to go. So to this bowl, we are gonna add some mayo. And I know you're probably saying, but wait a minute, how much? Here's the thing. This is potato salad, so we're just gonna use our discretion. That's why I didn't come out with measuring cups and ramekins and all that stuff. Because guess what? We're just gonna use our discretion because some of us like more mayo than others. Some of us don't, you know, we prefer a little bit more mustard or a little less. And everything here is based on your discretion. So I am gonna demonstrate to show you at least what it should look like when everything comes together. Yes. All right, we're gonna add that mayo, right? Add that mayo. I like a lot of mayo, so yes. And of course, you can always go back and add if necessary. Shake up the mustard. Because who wants to pour mustard and like it comes out watery? I hate when that happens, guys. I really do. I prefer it to just come out nice and thick. And it's the same thing with ketchup. When you pour in it, if you don't mix it up properly and you squirt it out, it just comes out with that watery film first and you're like, oh my God. And then like, you know, it's crazy. But anyway, we're also gonna add a little onion powder. Just a tad bit, just a little bit. Black pepper, just a little bit as well, because we're gonna go back in and add as necessary. A little onion powder. It seems like I'm adding about a 1/4 teaspoon of everything. A pinch of salt, because we don't want it to be salty. We're gonna add our onions, of course, as well as our green and red bell peppers. Add it, guys. Trust me, it's gonna taste good. And not only is it gonna taste good, you're not gonna taste it. It's just gonna have a nice crunch to it. It's gonna give it, it's gonna have a nice crunch to it. But like I said, just add it. Try not to omit anything, so that way you get the full effect of what this potato salad tastes like. It's so delicious. And I am gonna combine all of the ingredients. Yep, just like this, just like that. And once everything comes together, it's gonna be so delicious, delicioso. All right, we are all mixed and combined. To this, we used to also do boiled eggs from time to time. Just boil the eggs and obviously just put it in there, combine it all together. Also, she used to add a little pinch of accent to give it extra flavor. This part, if you don't use accent, you don't have to. I'm not telling you, to use it basically, but it does give the potato salad an amazing flavor. So I am gonna combine everything once again. And it will be time for taste test time. Hey. Taste test time. I'm gonna take some potato salad and I'm gonna place it right here into my lovely plate, or should I say saucer. And I'm gonna give it a taste test, guys. See, nice and chunky. Potatoes are not broken up into a million pieces. We're not eating mashed potatoes. It's absolutely still intact. Definitely give this potato salad, guys, a try. It's absolutely delicious. And as I mentioned, the onions and the bell peppers, definitely, it doesn't have any taste. However, it does give it a nice crunch and it gives it good texture. Amazing. Also, if you want to add like a boiled egg, or should I say boiled eggs, add it in there. Mix it up. Sometimes we do it like that too with the boiled eggs. Phenomenal. With the veggies and the boiled eggs. Anyway, guys, give this recipe a try. If you're not certain about it, because I know this is a little different for most, make a small portion, try it out, see if you like it, and once it pans out in your favor, make a big old bowl and get to serving. As always, guys, I'm your girl, Cooking with Tammy Live. Thank you so much for tuning in, and until next time, guys, see you later. Bye, guys.